How to transfer money to other banks using Truist. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to send money from Truist to another bank account, well in this video we will show you how you can do it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, you just have to click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here you simply have to log in with your credential and once logged in on your main dashboard, you simply have to click on transfer and pay and then choose external transfers. And there you have to add the receiving bank if it's new and you'll need the routing and account number and account type. And Twist may ask to verify the account with micro deposits. So choose your Twist from account and pick the destination to account and enter the amount and choose the sent date and add a memo if you want. And just a quick note that ACH transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days, so use a wire for same day. And with that, you can double check routing and account numbers and then click submit and save or screenshots the confirmation. And that's it. That's how you can transfer money to other banks using Twist. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.